This JBL speaker is small in size but big in sound. This is the JBL Clip, and it's a rechargeable, portable, wireless speaker. Just a few inches wide, the Clip fits easily into the palm of my hand. It's just a little bit bigger than a hockey puck. I was surprised that the Clip is pretty lightweight too. It's around the same as my Galaxy S4 with the case on. It has a clip on the top, making it easy to tote around. That's what JBL says sets it apart from other portable speakers. It clips onto your backpack or even a beach bag. It's all about being portable. It's also rechargeable. You'll get about 5 hours play or talk time. Yes, it's a speakerphone too. So while you're listening to music, you can take or make a phone call. Connect with Bluetooth, or it has this handy auxiliary cord that wraps up around the speaker. And now let's check out sound. We'll hear from local musician Kevin Hershen.
Who knew it would come down to this? After all, it was just that one kiss. And if I knew what would happen to me now, I would try to take it back somehow.
The JBL Clip comes in 5 different colors, and you can find it for just under $50. I'm Molly O'Brien, NBC 10 News.